morning, internet. We are on our way today. We were going to go to... Oh, losing my bag. Oh. We were going to go to the Hell's Gate Hot Springs, but we should have booked about 2 days ago to go and do that. So that's, we're not doing that anymore. But we're going to go to some other geothermal pool things, and we're going to go to a nature park. And I'm really excited because there's a walkthrough where there's keas, and that's why
Yay!
That's why we want to go there. That's today's plan.
This is what Amber does. This is what she's like when she's not on the camera. Look at her. An absolute mess.
We just got to Rainbow Springs Nature Park, and we're going to go and look at some birdies and hopefully see a kiwi today. It's raining.
And here comes the duck.
Handsome bearded dragon and a blue tongue. Hello.
Are you looking? This is what we're doing.
Another animal we can find in our backyard. How extra adorable are you? You gorgeous little creature. Hello. You guys all ready? What are you doing? That's an awful lot of noise for a little bird with a waggly tail. What are you doing? What's up? I've got a lot to say. Going to see the kiwis. They look like dog treats. They look like the dog treats I use in puppy school. You guys ready for this?
Contributed to the numbers declining so much, because way back in I think the 70s, there was actually a down.
Oh, you coming sexually shape.
Sun's hurting my eyes. I think I'm just really tired as well. I'm going to have this V, which is pure. It's a pure V. So we just finished adventuring through the Rainbow Springs Adventure Park? National Park? Something. Nature Park. And that was awesome. We got to see a couple of keas, and they were menacing things. And I bought this book, which I can finally find out what half of the birds we've been seeing are. We're gonna go to Wendy's soon, just to see what that's about.
Oh, Wendy's.
Probably gonna come back from there feeling very ill, I assume.
Where are we going now?
We're going to a thermal park, and we're going to go and see the hot springs because we didn't get to go to the thing that we were going to go to earlier today. So that's the plan.
Make the most of Rotorua.
We picked some bad weather. garbage bags. It's windy and it's rainy, but we made it to, where are we?
Hot pools?
This is one of those times where I'm grateful I have no sense of smell, because according to these lot, it smells like rotten eggs. We're going to Wendy's. Wendy's. Burgers. And the salad burgers are gone. I probably should have started filming a bit sooner. What's this potato, this baked potato thing?
Chives and sour cream, but luckily they put the
There you
sour
go.
cream on the side.
Goodbye, Wendy's. So we just went there. This is good. L&P, this drink from Wendy's. I ended up getting a baked potato, and it was actually, like, it was nice. And Sam, what did you get?
I got a half-pound double, so that's 2 patties of like Angus beef, I think it was.
And how was it?
It was really good.
Now we're off to our next campground, which is like, we should be there in about half an hour. We are going to Waikite Valley for the night.
Coos. Hill coos.
I love hill coos.
How did they roll down that hill?
Let's hope that they don't.